Hello friends, Nagaraj SK here and welcome you all once again for this series of learning, design and analysis of algorithms problems. So in the previous session we saw that how DFS and BFS algorithm works, how those two algorithms are works for finding uh, whether the graph is connected or not, whether how we are traversing from one node to another, from one vertex to another vertex, and what is the path, right? So we saw that we applied the BFS, that is breadth first search algorithm, and DFS, that is depth first search algorithm, for finding the paths or for finding the shortest paths or to visiting all the nodes of the given graph, right? So that is all that we saw in the previous session. So in this session we'll move to the next experiment, that is write a program to implement binary search using divide and conquer technique. So here we have to at the very first understand what is divide and conquer technique and how this binary search can be implemented, right? So the idea is to use binary search here, that is binary search is a divide and conquer algorithm. Like all divide and conquer algorithms, binary search first divides a large array into two smaller subarrays and then recursively, that is iteratively, operate the subarrays. But instead of operating on both the subarrays, it discards one subarray and continue on the second subarray. This decision of discarding one subarray is made in just one comparison. So, binary search basically reduces the search space to half at each step. By search space, we mean subarray of given array where the target value is located, that is, present in the array. Initially, the search space is the entire array, and binary search redefines the search space at every step of the algorithm by using the property of the array, that is sorted. So it does so by comparing the mid value in the search space to the target value. If the target value matches the middle element, its position in the array is returned, else it discards half of the search space based on the comparison result. So this is how the binary search works with the help of using divide and conquer technique. So we'll move to the code, we'll write a C program for this, how we can implement this using C language that we are going to see here. So we can write a C program like this, that is we have to make use of the standard library file, that is hash include stdio.h. So after that, in main method I'm going to consider here some of the variables like int c comma first, the first element of the array, then last element of the array, then middle we are going to check middle of the array, then size of the array, then search element, for which element you are going to search, then array, name of the array. I'm taking name of the array as array itself, that is array. Just a minute. Search, then array of size 100, right? These all are the elements, these all are the variables I'm going to consider here for implementing this binary search using divide and conquer technique. So first of all I have to ask a user to enter, that is enter the number of elements, that is the size of the array. Enter the number of elements, enter the number of elements. After after this I have to read that value, right? So scanf, then percentage d, comma, ampersand n. Then we have to enter the integers, right? So we have to enter the numbers. So printf, so after entering, after getting a size, we have to enter the integers. So for that I have to ask user to enter percentage d integer, first integer, second integer, something like that, integers. Then and I'm going to print that with the help of n, that location. So how to read that, read that with the help of for loop? I have to read all the numbers, all the integers, initially 0, then c less than n, then c plus plus. This is my for loop. So I have to read the values, right? For that scanf percentage d, then comma, ampersand array of c. This is my array, name of the array is array itself. So here I'm going to read them. After that what I have to do, I have to print, I have to ask user to enter which value we are going to search or which value we are going to find from that array. So printf /n, then enter the value to find, value to search or to find. So that how I'm going to read with the help of scanf. Again scanf, then percentage d comma ampersand search, right? Then we have to set which is the first, that is first equal to 0, then last equal to n minus 1, because it is starting from 0, so n minus 1. Then middle value, that is middle equal to first plus last, right, divided by 2, right? So first we have to add first and last elements, then we have to make divide by 2, then we will be getting the middle element of the array. Then while first less than or equal to last, we have to go on performing the operations, like we have to check the condition if array of middle less than search, then set first equal to middle plus 1, else what we have to do, we have to check again one more condition, else if array of middle is equal to search, then we have to print the element is found at. So else if array of middle equal to search, then printf percentage d, that is element found at location, which index it is, in which index it is storing, present. Slash n. So where the element is found, search, right? Search comma middle plus 1. We are going to print middle plus 1 as well as search element. Then if element is found, the work is done, so break the execution, right? Else what we have to do? Else last equal to middle minus 1, middle minus 1. So the next thing is here, else last equal to middle minus 1, then middle will set to middle is equal to, that is again first plus last, then divided by 2. This operation we have to perform again. Then after that, if first greater than last, there we saw that if first, while first less than or equal to last, here if first greater than last, then greater than last, then what we have to do? We have to print no element, not found. No element are not found, that is percentage d. It's not present, not found. Is percentage d integer is not present, in the list, or in the array, or in the list. Then which element is that we have to print there? Search. This element is not found. Then end of the program. This is how we can write a C program for implementing binary search using divide and conquer technique. So let me run this code whether it gives the proper output or not. So click on the run button. There is an error. What is that? Error is expected semicolon. Okay, go to the line number 16. We need a semicolon here, right? So run once again. Still there is an error. Expected bracket, line number 29. So a comma is missing here. So click on the run button again. Okay, now it's working. So enter the number of elements. So I have to enter here number of elements, that is input. So I'll enter here 7. Any number you take, 7 I'm taking. Enter 7 integers, right? We have to enter 7 integers. So my first integer is 2, then we have 5, then we have 8. Randomly you can enter any value. Then we have 12, then 16, then 19, then 20, right? After that, this is my list, right? Then from this list, which value we are going to search, whether that element is found or not. So check, I'm going to search 5 is there, it is 12, 16. Okay, I'll check 16. Enter the value to find, that is 16 found at location 5, right? We are getting the correct output, I think. So I'll check the location of the 16. So this is at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is from 0 to 4, that is fifth location, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 16 is at fifth location. So 16 found at location 5, 16 found at location 5, right? And if you want to check for another which is not present in the list, so run it once again, click on the run button. So enter the element, so I'll enter here 6 this time. So enter 6 integers it is asking. So 2, so 2 I'll enter, then again 5, again 8, then 10 I'll enter, then 12 I'll enter, then 16 I'll enter. So hit the button enter, then enter the value to find. So I'll enter 17 now. I'll check for 17, then it should give us not found, that is 17 is not found in this list. Enter the value to find, that is 17, not found, right? 17 is not present in the list. So this is how it works. This is how the binary search works for finding the elements of a list or array list. So using divide and conquer, this is how divide and conquer and binary search works for finding the elements of the given list. So if you are having any doubts in this implementation, or if you are having any doubts about the introduction part of binary search and divide and conquer, please do ask your queries, and thanks for watching.